This is a prayer that I like to say before I go to bed. This will consist of Yuminja and Oshun. Hepa Oshun, Hepa Yuminja. Before I lay my head down, I just want to give thanks. I want to give thanks to the fact that I love me. To understand the importance of evolving. Being humble enough to allow for myself to receive the love that Mama Yeye and Mama Yuminja give me each and every day. You have taught me how to be a better mother, a healer, a force to be reckoned with, but most importantly, somebody of compassion. I ask that as you continue to guide me on my journey of feminine energy, I ask for you to allow for me to be able to love open-heartedly, to receive love, to receive thoughtfulness. Allow for me to not be afraid to express my emotions just because it is not what most people are used to of today. I refuse to be a statistic just because of heartbreak or past trauma. I ask that you guide me to the person that is meant for me, to the person that makes the effort, to the person that makes my heart sing. I'm over the fact of looks. I have chose bad relationships due to my own insecurities that I no longer have, to obstacles that I have put in my own way because of self-worth that I didn't think I had. But now I ask for Yuminja, Oba, Oshun, Oya to pick the love that is for me. I ask for them to be strong, compassionate, thoughtful, family-oriented, and speaks from the heart. Loyal, truthful, and monogamous. Somebody that knows how to talk to me and not at me. Somebody that knows how to communicate properly. Someone that's not afraid to show emotion. So much shall it be. Thank you, Oshun and Yuminja, for all that you do for me. Thank you, Oba and Oya. Ashe.